If you're a real estate agent doing 12 deals or more a year, I'm going to show you how you can add a lead source that pays for the entire year itself in the first 30 to 60 days while you build one asset that makes you the #1 agent in your area. And I'm going to prove it works before you even have to pay $1. So let me show you. First, let's talk about why you're even here. See, we surveyed 463 top agents for our 2026 State of Real Estate Marketing Report, and we track every single thing for a reason. And there's 3 problems that show up over and over again. See, one is most agents have hit a ceiling on referrals, and your sphere loves you, and you love sphere, but it's not enough anymore to grow and scale your business. Number 2, you might have even started a YouTube channel. You've posted some videos before, but you've gotten no return, no leads, crickets. And then number 3 is you're probably paying some paid lead source, maybe like Zillow or others, a fortune for leads that 4 other agents are calling at the same time. See, in our survey, 67% of agents buying Zillow leads rated the quality poor, and not just like good or okay, but pretty bad, but yet they keep paying. And that's where it's pretty crazy. And all 3 problems are the same problem. You're renting your business, kind of like someone rents an apartment instead of owning an asset like a house that appreciates over time. And every single month, you're having to start again from 0. So really quick, we run Known Local, where we manage some of the top YouTube channels for agents all across the country with a massive team of over 50+ people who do nothing else but focus and obsess about marketing for agents. And last year, we generated about 11 million in income for agents. And this year, we're tracking about 24 million in income for agents. See, one person we work with, Will, in South Carolina, he closed 102 deals last year, and roughly half of that came from YouTube. Austin, in one of the top 10 markets in America, San Francisco, takes some of the highest value listings from $3 to $11 million in one of the hardest markets in the entire world. And then Matt, who works in a coastal market, actually has a channel that has helped him grow to nearly $1 million in GCI, plus a newsletter that he works. And none of this is theory. I'm just sharing with you what actually works to generate leads and listings. And so here's what we've built that's completely different from anything else that you might have seen. See, what we do is we package together 2 of the highest ROI and profitable channels, YouTube and email. YouTube is the asset. It's how strangers find you. It's binge-worthy, kind of like Netflix, and they call you already sold that they want to work with you. And so what ends up happening when you do YouTube is you end up getting your first deal within maybe 3 to 9 months, and the goal for year 1 is for you to get profitable. And then for year 2 and year 3 is for you to compound 2 to 3x from there. See, email then now becomes kind of like the engine or the machine underneath the surface for YouTube, because what email does is it takes your database that you already have and already exists, and it helps turn those people who already know you into real listing and buyer conversations every single week and every single month. But the problem is most people have a database, but they're not monetizing it. And if you look at the just stats really quickly, if you have 1,000 people on your list, 7% of those people are going to move, so about 70 people. If we look at only half of those people, so 35, we take the average low-end commission of $10,000, that's $350,000 in your database that's sitting there, multiple 6 figures. And what Fellow did is they ran all the data, and they found the top, biggest, best agents only convert 5% of that, $350,000. So that means you're leaving over $250,000 on the table by not having an email marketing strategy. Now, the new way that few agents are doing is that you actually own the asset. This is the house. This is what appreciates over time. Now, one of the biggest things I hear when it comes to building a brand, content, YouTube, email, is I can't wait 12 months for an ROI. And you think this whole thing is slow because it is. Fair. See, YouTube is slow when you start. And if YouTube were the only piece in this, that would make a lot of sense, but it's not. That's the entire reason we built this bundle of YouTube and email, because email can produce results in the first couple months because the audience is already there. It exists. You have the database. And what we do is we have like a monthly hand raiser report that also shows you who you can follow up with, who you can prospect in your first month, and then month 2, and then month. So you don't have to wait 6 months. And see, even if you doubt that, that is why we have the system that we have. The other thing that I see people say all the time is that I've already tried YouTube. Why is what you do any different? Because what I did didn't work. See, even the survey, the number shocked me, over 463 agents, 84% of agents closed 0 deals from YouTube. So if you're thinking that, you're in good company. But if you think YouTube doesn't work, you heard it in the beginning, Will, 102 deals. Austin in San Francisco, a brand new agent getting $1, $3, $10 million listings. It's not that YouTube doesn't work, it's that people don't know how to make it work. They post random content and they get random results. And it's way different. It's like a for sale by owner. Someone can go sell their house without an agent. Great, they can. But what happens when they hire an agent or a team where they have 5 people? It's the exact same thing. We have 5 people who live and breathe YouTube for real estate. We have a senior strategist, a junior strategist, a YouTube manager, scriptwriter, an editor, and a designer. That is your YouTube team. And they live and breathe it every single week while you can worry about closing deals. And that's why there's a difference between posting videos and running a system with a team, because we have the strategy that works. We know what topics to do. We know how to package that. We know how to keep the weekly cadence so that it doesn't depend on your motivation. All you do is film videos maybe 1 or 2 days a month. You spend maybe 1 to 4 hours a month, and then you don't have to worry about running and managing the system. We do that for you. Number 3 reason that I see people all the time is they say, my database is stale, it's too small, or I've done email and I haven't gotten an ROI from it. And we actually had an agent who wrote this on one of their forums, literally word for word. My list is so stale, my sphere of influence has not been transacting with me or referring people to me. And she thought stale meant dead, but stale just meant untouched, meaning that she wasn't keeping up with them. And those people didn't unsubscribe, you just end up not showing up. And see, we took someone, Glenda Baker, who has a huge social media following. She had 1,000 people or so on her list that she was never sending to. And the first month that we sent something to her list, we got an email from her saying, you guys sent an email at 3 o'clock, and at 3:12, she already had, I think, 3+ listing conversation responses from her email list. Brandon, who has a newsletter of nearly 1,000 subscribers, scaled it to about 2,200 with a 55+ person open rate, whereas like the industry average has half of that. And it's lists don't die. It's that most people just don't invest in building and growing their lists and getting a return from it. The next biggest reason that people say they don't do YouTube, email, any type of content, building a brand, is they say, I don't have time to be consistent. See, a lot of people we work with are already successful. They have a 30 million, 50 million, 100 million, 300 million, 500 million, $1 billion+ a year team. They're doing many other things. And the problem is, it's not that consistency is a discipline problem, it's just a priority and time problem, which ends up becoming they don't have enough leverage and support type of problem. And see, most people don't understand what it's like to have a content team, because most people in the industry don't. The average content team outside the industry costs you $25,000, maybe $50,000, and upwards of $100,000 a month. That's what some of the biggest teams run. Like Alex and Layla Hermosi spend about 30% of all of their operating expenses on marketing and media. And see, what we give you is we give you one. You film, we do the strategy, the scripts, the editing, the thumbnails, the newsletter, the reports. We do it all for you. And where one client told us they joined so that they could delegate the newsletter to someone who's much more clever than they are and would spend way more time on it than they would. That's the entire job description. So if you want a content team, we've already built one. The other big reason that we see people who don't build a brand is they say, I'm already paying for paid leads or Zillow and I can't spend more, or I don't want to spend more money. But the problem is, when you do paid leads like Zillow, it's great to ramp up a business in real estate, but it's the worst thing to build a lasting, enduring business, and is not a moat, and it makes it actually really hard to sell a business off that because you don't have enterprise value. What ends up happening is investors look at the business, they see that you have a channel risk if most of your business comes from that. So what looks good on paper to scale a business ends up becoming a tax that takes 30 to 40% of every dollar off your P&L every single month. And you don't need new money. You need to understand how to relocate assets and your resources so that you can build something, so that you're not just renting a business, you're not just renting an apartment, you're building a house. See, we have many clients who use Zillow, many for multiple years, and what ends up happening is they watch their lead quality drop and slide, and they end up having to look at their expenses, and some of them just cut the cord. And so what happened is, one that we worked with had no channel, and she decided she wanted to cut the cord now so she can build something later. And now she stopped paying Zillow. She's closing $20 to $25 million a year on YouTube. Her price point went from $500 to about $750, and she's building a lifestyle business. She is actually cutting back on time in real estate so she can live her life. And we see this all the time in a way that you can build something that allows you to have way more time back. So let me just be honest. We have an over 55+ person content team. You get over 5 people working for you, and that's how we've generated over 11 million last year in GCI, tracking over 24 million this year. Will, 102 deals, about half of it from YouTube. We have Brandon, who's doubled his database, getting more deals from his email lists. We have Austin, who's getting $1 to $10 million listings. We have Michael, who's gone from an agent closing 1 to 2 deals a month, getting nearly 1 to 3 deals a year from YouTube, to scaling to a 100+ person team. We have Brett, who has taken on way more higher end listings and deals. Matt, who's getting $1 million plus a year in GCI. Sally in Florida, who is gotten 14 million closed and pending in her first year, under 7 months. Levi, who does over 1.5 million, probably over 2 million this year. And all of this goes to the 463 agent survey that said email beats almost every single marketing channel besides fear. And so that is one of the most under-leveraged assets. And then YouTube was number 2, and most people still don't use it. So here's the next step. You can book a call with our team, and we'll look at your market, your database, and your channel, and we'll see if it's a good fit for us to work together. And what ends up happening is we start YouTube, and that starts to compound for a year, while email starts to generate business within the first couple months. And if we're not a good fit, we'll tell you, and that's fine too. We turn down agents all the time because it's not a good fit for each of us to work together, because we can't help them win. And that's the goal in all this, is for you to win. So if you want our team and our help, if you want to see if we're a good fit, the link is in the description below. But you're probably wondering, what does it kind of look like to work with each other, and what does the YouTube and email process look like? For the YouTube process, we meet every single month. We talk about strategy, what's working, what's not. We look at your business goals, what do we have to do to pivot to hit them, and we see how we need to kind of target the strategy to make it work. Then we get that information. We have entire briefs about what ideas we're going to do. We get your input on that, and then we give it to our script writing team. Our script writing team writes the scripts, sends them to you. You can edit them, put them in your own voice. You go film it, and then we edit it, and then we post, do all the design. And so all your commitment really is 1 hour a month with a call, and then 1 to 2 filming sessions a month for maybe 1 to 4 hours. So you're looking at 4 to 8 hours a month of commitment, versus what most people spend is like 40+ hours a month on YouTube. And a lot of them have a content team of like $25,000 a month or $50,000. And then from an email process is much quicker. For example, we send a conversation starter email your first 1 to 2 weeks working with us. So we get you deals and conversations literally started within your first couple of weeks. Then we send your newsletter right after that. And then we send another conversation starter after that to get more conversations. And then we give you a monthly hero report so you can go prospect your list for deals. And so within 30 days, you're already starting to get conversations for real estate. And then imagine that for 12 months. So it compounds. And then we sit down with you every quarter to talk about the strategy, how do we need to pivot, etc., with your email team. You're going to end up spending money on marketing either way. The question is, do you want to build something that appreciates over time? If that's true, if you want to build an asset, if you want to build a brand to help you grow your business and not just generate more business, but also potentially help you grow the team, then you can click the link in the description below, book a call with our team, and see if it's a good fit or not to work with each other.